Meeting safety legislation and standards does not need to be expensive. In most cases, a third party is not required for risk assessment or CE marking, which means that you can do it for yourself. At SMC, our approach is to ensure that we provide you with the most suitable services and products so that you can keep your costs to a minimum. I can help in a number of ways to ensure that you follow the correct procedures for a safe machine. Our machinery safety services include training on most aspects of machinery safety, including the requirements of the legislation and CE marking or UKCA marking procedures, and technical file requirements. Also, how standards should be used, how to conduct risk assessments, and safety-related parts of control systems. Assistance with particular requirements for incorporation of SMC products into a safe system can be provided. We have the SMC New Safe software, which gives third-party approved pneumatic safety circuits for many safety functions. The software has downloadable documentation, including a bill of materials, third-party TUV reviews, and an explanation of each circuit. Our customers have used our safety services to keep up to date with the current legislation, to learn new skills such as risk assessment, and to ensure that their machinery is safe by using our circuits in USafe. If you'd like to learn how we can help you to ensure your machines are safe and meet applicable standards and legislation, then please contact me directly. To find out more, follow us on LinkedIn.